Wilson, please don't mess this up. You've been good all this time. Nope, 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 nope. Walk away. Walk away, my little friend.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Gabriella, and I am honestly so excited for today's project. I'm gonna show you how to make this adorable chunky knit pillow. Literally, I've seen this go around Pinterest and the internet for years now, and it's finally made its way over to TikTok. So obviously, I had to try it. I've seen this specific tutorial go around, and it's honestly super easy. It's also probably one of the cheapest projects I've ever done. All you need is one roll of chunky yarn and some filling for the pillow. I cannot wait to show you how easy this is, so let's get started. So to start off, roll out your yarn and leave about 7 inches or so for what's called the tail, and put that to the side. Next, make a loop just like this and tighten it. Make sure it's not too big. Mine fits about 3 of my fingers. Now, take the working yarn and put it through the loop to make another one. Continue doing this until you've made 15 loops. I'm doing 15 because I think that makes the perfect size pillow, but if you want a bigger one, just make more, and if you want a smaller one, make less. Once you're done with that last loop, it should look like a chain like this. Form it into a circle and take the working yarn and put it through that first loop to connect the 2 sides of the chain. Next, push the yarn through the outer loops that you last made to make another loop. Continue this around the full circle. It sounds confusing, but you'll get the hang of it. It's best to do small loops so when you're finished, you don't really see the filling through the pillow. Just keep repeating this step until you have 15 rows. It definitely takes a little while to do, but it gets easier as you go. I like to count how many rows I've done as I go, just so I don't lose track.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're done.
Now that I've finished all 15 rows, I need to close up the bottom. Flip it around and take the tail. Push it through the outside loop and carefully pull on it to start closing it. This is pretty sensitive and can break, so make sure you do it very carefully. The more you go, you'll start to see it close up. Now, push the leftover piece through a small opening and tie a knot on the inside. Make sure you pull it really tight. Now we have to stuff it. Use a polyester fiber fill and fill it up as much as you want. I like a fluffier pillow, so I'm kind of going to stuff it a lot. But make sure it's not too much so it's not really round and bulky. Try to spread it out as evenly as possible so it's smooth all around and not really lumpy. Now for the last step, we're closing up the top. Repeat the same process we did for the other side, where you bring the yarn through the outer part of the loop.
Wilson, please don't mess this up. You've been good all this time. Nope, 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 nope. Walk away. Walk away, my little friend.
Tighten it all up and push the leftover yarn through a small opening and bring it right back through. Now, tie a knot in the center and push the yarn through a small opening next to it to create a little circle in the center. And you're done. I told you this is my favorite project ever. Look how cute it came out. I really cannot stop making these in every color possible. It is also Wilson approved, and I'm kind of tempted to make a really big one for him since he loves the material so much. I don't know, what do you all think? Let me know in the comments below if you think I should make one for him, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Mwah!